Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you a video showing how to install Dazuma's wall-mounted solar lights. The product package includes one accessory kit, 2 mountings, screws, and 2 screw caps. A wall-mounted solar light fixture. First, place the product where you plan to install it. Then mark the location and drill the holes. Next, insert the screw set from the accessory kit into the holes. Align the 2 holes on the product body with the screw sleeves, then place them in position. At the same time, insert the 2 mounting screws from the accessory kit into the holes. Press the power button on the product to turn it on. The product will automatically light up at night or when the surroundings get dark. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.